Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And I just got this little guy, and this is the Ipsy bag for January 2022. So late in the month, but hey, I'm not mad. I already reviewed the Glam Bag Plus, which I'll post a link to that video up here. That came a couple of weeks ago. That came rather early, and I got this just the last week of January, so I'm intrigued. Let's see what's inside. I also have some add-ons here that I'll show in a bit. So I have a lovely card in here, if I can get it out. Here we go. And it's Happy Vibes. Does not have a description of the products. It's hit or miss when they do, but we'll dive in anyway. So let's see, let me put my little reading glasses on and let's just get into this. The first thing I see in here is from MOTD, and this is their Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge. Cute, right? Latex-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And I will place the prices on there as well. The next thing I got looks like such a cute little, this is from N2U NYC, their eyeshadow duo, and this is called Cobble Hill. Opens fairly easy enough. These are standard colors. This is your good neutral brown, like a chocolate brown, and a lovely shimmer in gold. Very smooth, both of them actually. So I will show you how that looks. Very nice. It doesn't, well, it's interesting. The scent smells familiar. It smells like a brand, I can't recall it. It has a familiar scent. That's really interesting. It kind of reminds me when I was a kid, my mom had her makeup. So, All right, the next thing I had here is from Goldfaden MD, and this is their light treatment. What is this called? Dark Spot Corrector. It's a small sample size. I'm sure it has a seal on it. Yeah, it does. Do you see that? Yep. So I'm assuming it goes under the eyes. I don't know. I will save that for another occasion. The next thing I see here is from Shades by Shan. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a shimmer. And again, I'll put all the descriptions and the prices there. It looks like it has a seal on it. I mean, like a plastic seal. There we go. Gonna do that real quick. I always feel the urge to shake because you never know. I'm assuming this is a lip gloss. Yeah, this feels like a lip gloss. It has like a vanilla scent, but then after that it immediately goes away and I smell like a chemical scent, and I'm not sure what that is. It's very sticky. What is this? If this is a gloss, it's extremely sticky. I'm assuming it is. But again, I'll put the list here. It's a pretty color though. It's like a champagne. All right. And last but certainly not least, this is from Tatcha. And I think this is their rice cleanser, right? I'll put the name on there as well. This is so cool. Lately, it's been nice to see, you know, brands like Tatcha show up in the bags. And of course, it's a sample size. But it does, I think it does have that scent that we've come to know from Tatcha. Okay. Other things I have in here are some of the add-ons that I'm going to show. I don't have them all here, but I will showcase what I have. I got this from Araceli. This is the pencil, an eye pencil. I love their eye pencils. They're so incredibly look at that, creamy and smooth, and it kind of matches the eyeshadow there. This is called the Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner. This goes on like a dream. It's creamy, it's delicious, highly pigmented. Love it. I wonder what color this is. Sangria. Excellent. The next thing I got is the Professional Super Setter. It's a sample size, but that's okay. I'm fine with it. I also got a teeny weeny of the Professional Primer. It's even teenier than this. Yeah, I mean, this is much bigger than the Professional that I got. The primer is like this teeny, but, oop, sorry, there it is. Oh, definitely gonna use it. I always wanted to try it. I think this is a new product, the Super Setter. And Benefit is always a welcome brand. They come out with some good stuff. What else? Oh, and as add-ons, I got this for the hair. The Moroccan Gold series, Argan Gold. And I also got the Vitamist Biotin. This came as part of their add-on sale, so I'm really excited about these. And I think that's it. That's all. Wait, one more piece. This is the Perlice Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, because I wanted to try this just to see what that's all about, because they have like the $3 and $5 add-ons. So I think I got this. This has an SPF of 40, which is highly welcome. I don't know if this is tinted. It just might be. Let's see. Yeah, it's tinted. So there it is right there. I don't know why. I'm hearing that BB creams weren't really meant to be tinted, but I mean, for some products, I tend to use them as a replacement for foundation. I don't know, for BB cream, that seems to be high coverage, right? Interesting. It feels very moisturizing. The scent just reminds me of summer. It reminds me of suntan lotion, believe it or not. It has that. It's probably because of the SPF. Right. Okay, so what do you think of what I uncovered in my Ipsy Glam Bag? I'm pretty amazed. Their add-ons have been getting like better and better. Every time I turn around, they have more great stuff to offer. And again, they have in the $3 range, $5 like luxury deluxe, like deluxe sample. Then they have like $10 range, the $12, $18, $20, $40. And I'm just like blown away by the choices, and I'm loving that they're getting eclectic and just building on the variety. What do you think of Ipsy? Do you shop the add-ons or the edit sales? Let me know in the comments section below. Better late than never, Ipsy. I'm happy. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.